In front of me is TCL 605, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now with your app opened like that, click on the icon of it at the top. Now select floating window. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the bottom and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. Now to use your app in full screen view, click at the bottom left corner. To close your window completely, click at the bottom right one. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, you can also click on the same three dots at the bottom and check out all of those options. You can tap on Fold to turn your window into a bubble and then access it by tapping on the bubble. You can also select Rotate to change orientation of your app. Or select apps. If you decided to select apps after clicking on it, you can change any app you are currently using as floating window to another one. I will go with Facebook. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!